This will be a short video. I will not be doing the whole connection. I'm just gonna connect the plastic tube to the fridge. When I was trying it, the tube kept falling, like it wouldn't hold in place. And then I realized I had to put this small plastic sleeve inside and really tighten the screw. So just watch what I'm doing, and it's really easy. You don't want to do that.
Okay.
Sorry about the quality, but that's when you use cheap labor. All you have to do now is tighten the screw and you're all set.